Let's explore how machines transform our everyday language into something they can actually understand and work with. When we speak or write, NLP systems capture those words and convert them into structured data that computers can analyze. Every bit of language has two sides. Syntax gives us the grammar rules, while semantics carries the actual meaning. The word dog becomes a numeric vector, clustering near puppy in a mathematical space where meaning has coordinates. Idioms, slang, and cultural expressions make language tricky because their meanings go way beyond the individual words. Spill the beans doesn't mean literally spilling food. It means revealing a secret. In vector space, every word sits at specific coordinates, with similar meanings naturally clustering together. King pairs with queen, just like Paris pairs with France. The math captures these real-world relationships beautifully. Raw text flows through tokenization to split it up, then normalization to standardize it, creating clean input for training. Pre-processing connects several key steps. Tokenization breaks text apart, normalization standardizes forms, punctuation gets handled, and word variations get processed. Once language becomes data, it powers virtual assistants, chatbots, and translation apps that reshape how we interact with technology. Siri, Alexa, and Google Assistant all share this ability to understand your voice and respond naturally. NLP begins by treating language as data that machines can process. Word embeddings, vector spaces, and mathematical models work together to build the foundation of how machines understand us. These NLP technologies enhance communication, improve accuracy, and create interactions that feel genuinely natural.